Amber Heard interview. What is Savannah Guthrie's connection to Johnny Depp? Amber Heard spoke with NBC journalist Savannah Guthrie for her first interview since a Virginia jury found her guilty of defaming her ex-husband Johnny Depp. She explained her side of the story. Two of the network's blockbuster interviews segments aired on June 14 and 15, and the remaining portions were featured in a Dateline special on June 17. Not that the Aquaman actress shared her experiences, but the fact that she chose to confide in a broadcaster with a known connection to her ex-husband is surprising. In an interview with Camille Vasquez and Benjamin Chu from Mr. Depp's legal team last week, Ms. Guthrie, a well-known NBC Today show anchor who moderated one of Joe Biden and Donald Trump's presidential debates in October 2020, acknowledged that her husband, public relations consultant Michael Feldman, had advised their client. And Ms. Guthrie admitted her spouse's connections to the lawyers at the beginning of the interview before quickly moving on and starting to ask questions about the trial. Just so you know, my husband has provided legal consulting for the Depp legal team, but not in relation to this interview, she said. NBC's special coverage of the verdict was anchored by Ms. Guthrie, who also spoke with Ms. Heard's lawyer Elaine Bredihoff the following morning. However, it is said that she did not bring up her husband's consulting business until she sat down with Ms. Vasquez and Mr. Chu. The attorneys called the suggestion that social media had a role in influencing proceedings in Fairfax County disappointing during their appearance, responding to claims made by both Ms. Bredihoff and now Ms. Heard. They also rejected as utterly baseless, absolutely absurd, and categorically false claims that the Depp camp may have encouraged online smears against Ms. Heard.
On June 13, a representative for the actress defended her choice to participate in the new NBC interview, saying, Johnny Depp's legal team flooded the media with statements and television interviews for days after the verdict, and Depp himself did the same on social media. Ms. Heard simply intended to respond to what they aggressively did last week. She did so by expressing her thoughts and feelings, much of which she was not allowed to do on the witness stand. In response to Mr. Depp's lawsuit over an opinion piece published under her byline in the Washington Post in December 2018, Ms. Heard was heard saying she does not blame the jury for its verdict in a 2-minute clip that was released in advance, in which she talked about domestic violence and facing the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out. Despite the fact that Ms. Heard did not specifically name Mr. Depp, to whom she was married from 2015 to 2017, his legal team argued that readers of the newspaper were likely to believe he was the cause of the incident she alludes to, and that the article resulted in their client missing out on lucrative movie roles as a result. On Wednesday, June 1, the jury found in Mr. Depp's favor and mandated that Ms. Heard pay him $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. Ms. Heard is much less understanding in the same preview clip about the abuse she received online throughout the course of the trial, saying, Even if you think I'm lying, you still couldn't tell me. Look me in the eye and tell me that you think on social media there's been a fair representation. You cannot tell me that this has been fair. When questioning Ms. Heard, Ms. Guthrie did mince words. The host of an interview that was broadcast on June 14 brought up audio from the trial that showed Ms. Heard pressuring Mr. Depp to tell the world that he is a victim of domestic violence. The audio was taunting, according to Ms. Guthrie. And on June 15, she claimed that Ms. Heard had been caught in a lie when she claimed she donated her $7 million settlement from Mr. Depp.